Welcome guys, and today we will be watching a video animal lifespans compared shortest to longest. We'll go full screen and come on.
Have you ever wondered how long different animals actually live? Some creatures are gone.
First comment, which one do you think lives the longest? Not the shortest, not exactly in the middle, but the longest lifespan. I'll give you a few seconds to think. Now you have to like and subscribe. Okay, come on, let's start watching it already.
On almost as soon as they arrive, while others seem to defy time itself. In this video, we'll count down the lifespans of animals, starting from the shortest and moving all the way to the longest. And trust me, stick around till the very end, because the last one will make you question if it ever dies at all.
A male mosquito only lives 7 days, right? A cockroach lives 2 years, but if its body gets cut apart, like exactly in the half, this gets all cut, and this half is surviving. It can live, but the cockroach is only living completely for 2 years. No way. That's there's something called a mosquito fish. No way I haven't learned about that. Is it famous? Does everybody know it? Comment down below if you know that. I need to check that. Stop pausing, stop pausing. Why ads? Tell me why. But it's not the trend. That's iPhone 17 now. You deserve Apple's Seahorse. I thought seahorse would be much. You're saying if I were to be a goldfish, I would only live for 8 years. I would be dead right now if I was a goldfish. Because I'm almost 9. No. 8 years is like a few months ago. I would be dead a few months ago if I was a goldfish. dog or a German Shepherd? Cause any big dog or a bulldog or German Shepherd? Or just these two? Okay, so if I were to guess cat, Tigers can live 25 years. That is no kangaroo. Huh? I'm looking at that window. What is that? Oh, look, ugly naked Moore. Ew. Bald eagle, Mr. America, bald eagle. Look at that. That guy is standing up. Is this bird wearing a jacket? Is he standing up while wearing a jacket? The Andean condor. It looks like it's wearing a jacket. Can you notice that? It looks like it's a man that looks like a bird and he's wearing a jacket. That is dumb. Can somebody explain in the comments what is a alm? Is that an axolotl or a alm? The picture. It is a cave-dwelling salamander, longevity aided by very slow metabolism. Did not understand anything I read, but okay. Why are you smiling like that? I got to say, you have an ugly smile. Bro, what the hell is that? Look at this. I'm gonna rub this all. Rub the name. Guess what is this now? Guess. From only the mouth, guess what it is? A person covered his mouth with white paint and smiled. That's my guess. And he was ugly also. And why is that nose so big? Why is that nose so big? It has to be like at least a mile long. Guess what sharks aren't even a mile long. Okay. You think orcas live? This one orca, that's probably AI, lives more than a great white shark. Intelligent marine mammal, so social structure aids long life. Noise, I'm the fastest reader in my class, and so you're saying this is a human picture, probably AI, because it doesn't look real. Human, average 79 years before they die. You're saying this, whatever this means, this bird can live longer than us. Got the human? This bird right here lives longer than humans. That's what you're saying. A European eel. What is the difference between a European eel
نوتيلا تقدم لحظات رمضان. عيش أحلى اللحظات مع كل من تحب واستمتع بوصفات ولا ألذ من نوتيلا المحضرة من أجود أنواع البندق والكاكاو عشان تستمتعوا فيها مع بعض.
Live weather forecast.
Alright guys, today we're back on Roblox and we are playing a game where we basically have to roll for the most rare weapons ever. You guys all ready?
Oh yeah!
Okay, I'm back and you're saying a Nile crocodile can live longer than us. One sec. I've got to say, this thing looks... What the happened? This thing looks old. Can't say. Okay, come on, let's go. American left. Japanese spider crab. Which is actually, I don't know to call it a crab or spider. So if I see that thing, depends where I see it. I see it in the sea, I call it a crab. I see it in my house, I call it a spider. I see it anywhere else, I call it a spider. Freshwater pearl. It's that means rock. Tell me what is this in the comments. A geoduck? Is that a geoduck with a head burnt off and 2 legs missing? Definitely not plotting something. Let me just hit control. And then we put the beak. That's bad and bye-bye. What happened? I'm never drawing a head of a duck ever met. Well, giant tortoises are here. And I didn't say tortoise, I said turtles. They're the same thing, okay? Gallopard tortoise. Okay, nice. Orange Ruffy. Is this thing how it feels like, or how it looks like, or the name of it? Or all three of them, or Quahog crab. Giant tooth worm. I'm eliminated, but if you're still in the challenge, like and subscribe. Giant tooth, a spot. You think this thing can live for that many years? Is this thing even alive? Currently, we live with 4,000 years. 10,000 years. Black hole. Is it black or is it different? Oh, 3 immortal things. What if I cut this in half? Would it be immortal, huh? What if I cut this in half? Stop. It's not immortal anymore, you dummy. But this guy is a Ceratopus. Ceratopus. Okay? That means it sounds like turtle, so it's not a jellyfish. It's a turtle. Bye guys, I quit drawing. Peace.